Health experts predict nearly 100% of people in Florida will be exposed to Omicron by February 2nd. And that's why the need for testing is so high right now. Within the past week, 3 new testing sites opened up across 3 Bay Area counties, all of them seeing long lines of cars daily. The site in Brandon even hit capacity its first day open. But soon, leaders hope it'll be much easier to get your hands on a test. One you can take in the comfort, actually, of your own home. Now, starting next week, the White House plans to offer free tests delivered to your door. And tomorrow, insurance companies are required to cover the cost of tests that you purchase at stores and pharmacies. But as 10 Tampa Bay's Miranda Parnell found out, hours before those requirements are set to take effect, some insurance companies still don't have answers about how you can get those tests or get reimbursed.
Tests like these have been hard to come by lately. That's why the White House is requiring private healthcare companies to provide 8 free tests each month to every person covered on the plan. Now, this is all supposed to start on Saturday, so how do you get your free tests? Now, the White House says they are incentivizing the insurance companies to allow you to get the test straight from preferred pharmacies or stores with no out-of-pocket costs. But that's not guaranteed, and you may have to request reimbursement. We reached out to multiple insurance companies to find out more about their plans. Only 2 responded. Blue Cross Blue Shield sent a statement saying, in part, as details are finalized, we will make our members aware of changes to their health plans, benefits, and how they can take advantage of them. They didn't give any specific details about how to get the test or if you will need to request reimbursement. Aetna responded with a link to their website that shows what qualifies you to be eligible for the test and says you will need to go through a reimbursement process. And for those of you who aren't insured by one of these companies, you're not out of luck. On January 19th, the White House will have a way for people to request free tests on a site called covidtest.gov. And on that website, you'll be able to request up to 4 tests per address. Now, the White House does say that it usually takes 7 to 12 days for those tests to ship, so you'll want to plan accordingly.
The Biden administration says there will be 500 million tests made available for Americans to request through that website.